Have you ever wondered what sardines, whales, or oysters eat? They all eat plankton. The plankton eats all the organisms that float in the water and drift with the currents. You can't find them in the oceans, but also in lakes, rivers, or groundwaters. Marine plankton include microscopic organisms that we can't see with the naked eye, like viruses or microalgae, but also small crustaceans that can be the size of grains of rice, crab larvae, fish larvae, the krill eaten by the whales, and also jellyfish and other gelatinous organisms that can be dozens of meters long. Plankton are very diverse. There are lots of different species, but there is also a wide range of lifestyles, sizes, shapes, colors, or diets. All these are called by the scientists functional traits. Nearly all the organisms that live in the oceans depend on plankton for their food, including the fish we eat. Without plankton, no more fish. Plankton also play a central role in regulating the climate and fixing the carbon, which is found in excess in the atmosphere and oceans because of human activities. Plankton are really important for us, humans. Plant plankton produce living matter from light and carbon. They are eaten by herbivorous plankton, which are eaten by carnivorous plankton, themselves eaten by fish, which are eaten by birds and sharks. So is energy transferred from one level of the food web to the other. And when plankton die, or when marine organisms poo, all this carbon-rich matter falls into the deep ocean, where carbon is trapped on a geological timescale and can even be transformed into oil. But marine plankton are under threat from man-induced climate change. The tiny calcified algae, but also the small animals with shells, are the victims of ocean acidification. Due to the increase of water temperature, plankton have to move polewards, and the more and more frequent and intense marine heat waves increase plankton mortality. Plankton are also threatened by the arrival of invasive species and by pollution, like microplastics. As part of the Trade Zoo project, scientists are looking at the diversity of zooplankton functional traits using images, sequencing, numerical models, and even artificial intelligence. Their aim is to understand the drivers of plankton diversity and how this diversity is distributed in the oceans. This is a necessary prerequisite to better anticipate how it is likely to change in the future.